Tesla just flipped the entire luxury SUV segment on its head. The 2026 Model X Plaid isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, this thing screams futuristic dominance. The body has been refined with a sleeker aerodynamic silhouette, a bolder front fascia, ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights, and those signature falcon wing doors that still make competitors look outdated. The exterior lines are sharp yet smooth, designed to slice through air with minimal drag, and the flush door handles melt right into the body for a seamless profile. Even the wheels got an aggressive new redesign with aero-optimized rims that boost both range and stability. It's not just a luxury SUV, it looks like something that time-traveled from 2035. But the insanity really starts under the surface because the performance is absolutely savage. The 2026 Model X Plaid is packing a tri-motor setup that delivers mind-bending acceleration. We're talking 0 to 60 in just about 2.4 seconds, quicker than most hypercars. The total output is rumored to hover around 1,200 horsepower, and the torque hits instantly with no lag, snapping you into the seat like a rocket launch. The top speed pushes past 200 mph, which is unheard of in the SUV world. Even the range is shocking with upgraded battery chemistry and smarter thermal management. This beast offers around 390 to 420 miles on a single charge, depending on configuration. And when you plug into a supercharger before, you can get up to 200 miles of range in under 15 minutes. Insane. Handling? It's next-level precision. Tesla has reworked the chassis with improved structural rigidity, adaptive air suspension 2.0, and torque vectoring across all wheels for ridiculous corner control. You'd expect a massive SUV to feel heavy in turns, but the Model X Plaid feels more like a sports sedan when carving through the road. The low center of gravity created by the underfloor battery pack keeps it planted at high speeds and tight curves. Even the steering has been recalibrated with a more responsive drive-by-wire feel, delivering sharp control with minimal input. Whether cruising in chill mode or unleashing the full Plaid madness, the SUV remains shockingly smooth and stable. Now, let's talk interior, because Tesla just embarrassed every so-called luxury automaker out there. The cabin has been reimagined with ultra-premium, vegan leather, soft touch surfaces, customizable ambient lighting, and a panoramic windshield that stretches above your head for a cockpit-like vibe. The yoke steering has been refined, and for those who prefer a round wheel, Tesla offers an optional version. The centerpiece is a massive 17-inch 8K infotainment display with a refined UI that feels faster than ever. In the back, there's a secondary screen for passengers to control climate, media, and even gaming. The audio system? A studio-grade 22-speaker setup with active noise cancellation that transforms the cabin into a private sound bubble. Space isn't compromised. Either it comes in 5, 6, or 7-seat configurations, and the flat floor design gives insane legroom and cargo flexibility. The seats are ventilated, heated, and even feature massage options with memory settings. The rear seats recline, and the third row is surprisingly comfortable even for adults. The glass roof brings in tons of natural light while blocking UV and infrared heat. Every inch of the interior is designed to feel futuristic, elegant, and unbelievably lounge-like. Tech-wise, Tesla didn't just step up, they stomped the competition. The 2026 Model X Plaid runs the latest hardware 5.0 for autopilot and full self-driving, equipped with upgraded cameras, radar enhancements, and advanced neural network. It can navigate highways, city streets, parking lots, and even handle lane changes and overtaking with minimal driver input. The augmented reality display projects navigation cues directly onto the windshield, eliminating distractions and giving a futuristic HUD experience. Even the voice assistant is smarter, quicker, and more conversational, responding to natural speech instead of robotic commands. The infotainment system supports ultra-responsive gaming with AAA titles, wireless controller support, and high-speed Wi-Fi for passengers. There's also seamless device syncing, Bluetooth 5.3, and a next-gen wireless charger that can power multiple devices simultaneously. Over-the-air updates guarantee constant improvements to performance, UI comfort, and features without ever stepping into a service center. Luxury amenities don't stop there. The Model X Plaid features self-presenting doors, biometric access, customizable driver profiles, and even climate preconditioning via the Tesla app. The upgraded HAP filtration system ensures medical-grade air quality inside the cabin, filtering out smoke, pollutants, and allergens. The smart glass tinting tech adjusts automatically based on sunlight, keeping the cabin cool and glare-free. Even the safety features are over-engineered. We're talking 360-degree vision, AI-based collision prediction, auto emergency steering, blind spot visualization on screen, adaptive cruise with smoother braking, and a reinforced body structure with crumple zone optimization. It's built like a tank, but moves like a jet. And then there's the wow factor features like Sentry Mode with AI facial recognition, Dog Mode with climate alerts, and Smart Summon 2.0 that can navigate parking lots to pick you up without even touching the steering wheel. This is luxury mixed with sci-fi level tech. What really sets the Model X Plaid apart is that it's not just competing with luxury brands like Mercedes, BMW, Range Rover, Bentley, or Rolls-Royce. It's obliterating them in nearly every category. None of those SUVs can match its acceleration, range, software, or futuristic features. Most of them are still relying on gas engines and outdated infotainment, while Tesla is shaping the future of transportation in real time. Even interiors from top-tier brands feel old when compared to the tech-driven, minimalist elegance of this cabin. From design and performance to innovation and comfort, this SUV doesn't play fair. It dominates every rival in sight. The 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid is a monster, a masterpiece, and a message to the industry: evolve or get left in the dust. Tesla just went savage, and every other luxury SUV has officially been destroyed.